Proteus counter 7 segment using 4026555. You can create this using this software, and you can change the speed if you gonna put a potentiometer, or you can change the value of this capacitor from the pin 2 or the connection of 2 to 6, between 2 to 6 and capacitor to the ground. So if I change this to 0.1 microfarad, you can speed it up like that. It's too fast, so I'll make it just maybe 0.5 there. Sorry, there's no limit, so 0.5 microfarad, and there. So how does it works? I create pulse using 555, or you can just use here the D clock, or the thing right here, this one. So you can use the clock or the period 1 second or higher to make it fast, to check if the connection is okay. Then if the 4026 drives the 7 segment, you can create 555 pulse like this one to automate it or make it real in the breadboard. So it's very easy. The clock of 555 going to the clock of 4026. The pin 2 should be grounded, and the manual reset should be grounded, and the pin 3 should be high or going to the 5 volts, and to cascade it or carry over, the pin 5 should go to the clock of your second 4026 for the counter to go up. So I'm gonna simulate again there. So it will go reset when it goes to 99. It goes back to 0. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.